Dear friends, welcome by Online Health Tips channel. In this video, I will share you the health benefit of pomegranate. The pomegranate is a good source of vitamins like protein, iron, vitamin C, phosphorus, thiamine, chlorine, etc. The regular consumption of the pomegranate, we will get the good benefits like increasing the blood cells. For example, the regular consumption of pomegranate will, within the month, will get amazing blood red cell count. The regular consumption of pomegranate will help us to keep our digestion system. Also, it will help us to keep our heart with a healthy heart. And also, it is help us to keep our brain power. Also, it is prevention from sugar disease also, diabetes also. Thanks for watching this video. Share to your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.